ContinentalMotors.com.
My name is Alex Sanchez. You might know me from the CNBC video of living on $230,000 a year in West Chicago, Illinois. And now you get to see a little bit of my life. Thank you so much, guys, for all the very nice comments that I received, for all the support, for all the people that are motivated by what I do. I don't really think I do anything spectacular. I just do me. And I think it's just, I love working. I love the grind, and ultimately I want to prove everyone wrong. I want to prove myself wrong. I want to compete against myself. I want to do better. I always knew I wanted to be successful, but I never knew how. But now I have the education, I have the desire, the work ethic, and honestly, thank you so much for those of you that are motivated, inspired by my story. I really hope you guys go out there and chase your dreams, aim high on all your goals, and just remember that anything you want to do is possible. I'm literally talking about anything. Anything you want to do is possible. You just have to have a plan. You have to have the vision, and you have to put in the work. You can't just wish for something to happen and expect it to happen. You got to put a plan in place that makes sense and that isn't just kind of far-fetched. Everything I talk about, all my goals, all my dreams, it all comes with a plan. I'm not randomly talking about, becoming a millionaire in the next year or so. That's why I'm aiming to be a millionaire at 30. I actually think it might happen sooner than that, but like I said, I have a sensible plan that I'm putting in place, and I'm laser focused. So anyways, thank you guys so much for all the support. I really, that video really, it wasn't anything life-changing, but it really inspired me to start the YouTube channel back up. I want to come up with content that's going to motivate you guys, that's going to push you guys. I want my content to inspire you, because coming from where I came from with, really bad grades in school, I just want you to know anything is possible. And really, I'm barely getting started, but I'm seeing all this stuff happen in front of my eyes, and it gives me more motivation, because I know that all the work is finally kicking in. It's finally paying off little by little. And like I said, I just got started. I want you guys to get motivated, inspired, educated, whatever it is. If you guys want to tune in for the entertainment, guys, go ahead. Again, thanks so much. I hope my life continues to inspire others, and I just want you guys to know that anything is possible. Put in the work, put in the effort, sacrifice the BS, and it'll all pan out, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.